Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports, and I am Jermaine Brown. Let's head to Savannah Park, where the West Indies will be seeking a series-leveling victory when they square off with New Zealand this afternoon in Game 2 of their three-match T20 International Series. The West Indies captain Nicholas Pooran says his team can rebound from Wednesday's opening game defeat.
That's obviously he got a short ball, that's his strength, but I know he'll learn from it, and in that situation he might want to hit that in the ground or maybe hit it in the gap. But I know I'm not going to kill the batsman, to be honest. I think we're getting better and better at it, and again, the more games we play, we'll get better. And hurting obviously losing obviously hurts us a lot, and we're trying our best. A couple of things have to go in our favour a bit as well, and things will be alright.
The Kiwis are now unbeaten in 5 matches in this format against the West Indies, and their skipper, Kane Williamson, wants them to stamp their authority in Game 2.
For us, it's just trying to stay calm, execute our plans as best we can, and hope that's good enough. And we know that they're going to keep coming hard, and for us, it's sticking to our plans.
The match bowls off at 1:30 p.m. And staying on cricket, Brandon King is the only Jamaican included in the West Indies 14-man squad for the three-match one-day international series against New Zealand starting next Wednesday in Barbados. Guyanese Sherman Hetma has also been included and is set to play his first ODI for the Windies in over a year. Hetma, who has been out of the regional setup for failing mandatory fitness tests, replaces Jamaica's Rovman Powell from the India series. The squad also sees the first-time inclusion of Guyanese off-spinner Kevin Sinclair, who has played 6 T20 internationals. Gudakesh Moti, another Guyanese who sustained a finger injury in the ODI series against India last month, has been named but will have to undergo a fitness assessment. The squad is completed by Captain Nicholas Pooran, Vice Captain Shea Hope, Shamar Brooks, Casey Carty, Jason Holder, Akil Hussain, Alzara Joseph, Kyle Mears, Kima Paul, and Jaden Seals. The three-match series against the Kiwis are the 3 remaining fixtures for the West Indies in the ICC Super League, with the aim of automatic qualification for the 2023 ICC World Cup in India. Now, the West Indies A were only able to pick up 1 wicket in the morning session on day 3 of the second and final 4-day unofficial test against Bangladesh A at the Darren Simon Cricket Ground in St. Lucia. This as the visitors progressed to 249 for 6 from their overnight 157 for 5. Saif Hassan moved from 63 not out to 116 not out in the session. Yannick Karaya claimed the only wicket to fall so far for the Windies A. The opening encounter had ended in a draw last weekend. And Jamaica's under-19s in their second innings against their Barbadian counterparts were reeling at 106 for 6 at lunchtime. This after resuming the third and final day at 60 for 1 in the Cricket West Indies Championship in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. They are still 46 runs behind the Bajans, who posted 386 for 7 declared in their first innings response to the Jamaicans' 234 all-out. Brian Barnes has so far top scored with 36, while Adrian Ware and Justin Beckford made 17 each. Nathan Seeley has so far bagged 5 for 35 for the Bajans. And guess what? That is Thumbs, and that is it for your midday sports. And I am Jermaine Brown.